case you want to put different kind of antenna system on here, which we won't, because the whole point was that I wanted to have crossfire. So hopefully this will stay in place and won't bend awkwardly, and we'll be able to stick in a battery in here. And the battery, I'm hoping, will be okay with a 3S or a 4S. We'll just have to find out. There's a bunch of stickers everywhere. Unlike most stickers, I will have to remove these ones because otherwise it will hit that bit and it's going to be a horrible thing should that happen. So we're not going to do that. But we'll read all the labels before we try to connect this up to the rest of the things. And I'm liking this design a lot. So those are my thoughts so far, and we'll learn more about this as I learn more about this myself.
Likey